Hello everyone, this is Vel Murugan Dakshinamurthy. In short, you can call me Vel. I'm a lead technical architect currently working in Tech Mahindra Singapore. The case study what we are going to cover today is fortifying electronic medical record EMR application, the advanced security controls in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure OCI. This case study talks about comprehensive security framework for EMR application deployed in OCI. This framework utilizes hub and spoke network design to centralize security management and streamline the various traffic flows. It basically integrates advanced security controls including firewalls and IDPS, which is intrusion detection and prevention system, in order to protect against the malicious activities. Regarding the EMR, EMR is an electronic medical record system which is used to manage the patient health data throughout their life cycle. This system is going to be integrated with various other healthcare applications such as labs, radiology, and telehealth software for the data exchange. Hence, it's important to detect, inspect, protect against threats including insider and outsider attacks, phishing, fraud, data breaches, malware, etc. EMR deployment in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The EMR application has been architected and implemented in OCI to ensure scalability, resilience, fault tolerance, HA, which is high availability, and security features are taken care. Utilizing the different fault domains within the same region, so this deployment would guarantee the uninterrupted services and optimal performance. Let's deep dive into the hub and spoke networking model. So this is a network architecture in the OCI cloud region. There are multiple VCNs on the top. This is a hub VCN. Below, it's all spoke VCNs. So in the hub VCNs, there are different components. There is a separate firewall for intranet and there is a separate one for the internet. So in terms of the connectivity, there are different solutions can be used. One is a site-to-site VPN, another one is a Fast Connect. So Fast Connect, that's where we can leverage the services from the Oracle partners, be it as a Megaport or Equinix. So that can be used actually to have a connectivity with various CSPs, let's say AWS, Azure, GCP, on-prem. So this is basically a common landing zone for both internet and intranet, which means any inbound traffic, whether it's coming from the on-prem or other CSPs or from the internet, so that traffic will be routed and then it will be inspected actually using the hub VCNs before reaching the spoke VCNs. Let's say if it's a not so traffic, the traffic which gets initiated from the different CSP or on-prem, it's going to hit the DRG. DRG is a router in OCI, which will forward the traffic actually to the firewall. So that's where IDPS plus whitelisting and blocklisting features enable. So based on the whitelisting rules, so the traffic is going to be allowed or blocked. If the traffic is found to be legitimate, the traffic is going to be allowed to the spoke VCN. So inside the spoke VCNs also, there will be a separate security controls. There will be a separate security list and NSG. So to manage and control the ingress and egress traffics. If it is a east-west traffic, which means the traffic within the Oracle Cloud, so from one spoke VCN to other spoke VCNs, that traffic also will be routed through the hub VCNs. The traffic will be routed actually to the firewall, and based on the whitelisting, the traffic will be allowed further to the spoke VCNs. If it's an internet traffic will be hitting the OCI internet gateway, and DRG will be routing the traffic to the separate internet firewall. So once the traffic is found to be non-malicious, then the traffic will be allowed actually to a spoke VCNs. So inside the spoke VCNs, there will be again controls like NSGs and SL. and there will be a routing configurations. So this is at the high level. So how the north-south traffic, which is getting initiated from the external network, when it is hitting the OCI, it will be routed and then it will be inspected by hub VCNs, and then it will be allowed to a spoke VCN. So similarly, the intranet traffic and the traffic which is getting initiated from the internet. So that's how the overall traffic is going to flow, the north, south, east, west, and then internet and intranet traffic. And then there are various hops and various security controls in place. Let me move on to the next slide. So hub and spoke network design. So this is what exactly we have seen in the network architecture diagram. Inspection and control of north-south traffic. So the traffic will be hitting the DRG. DRG will be forwarding the request to the firewall, intranet firewall. So that's where the IDPS feature is enabled, right? And then based on the whitelisting and blacklisting mechanisms, the non-malicious traffic will proceed to the spoke VCNs. Inspection and control of east-west traffic. This is a traffic within the OCA itself. So from one VCN to other VCN, that also will be forwarded and that also will be inspected by the hub firewalls. So internet and intranet traffic. So both will be using a different route basically. So if it's internet, if any application is exposed to internet, which means if any application can be connected from the public internet, so we will have additional security controls like a CDN, and then CDN mainly we use actually for the content delivery management for the caching. Along with that, there will be a WAF feature also enabled for the to mitigate the OWASP top 10 attacks. So intranet traffic, it is going to be something similar to the north-south traffic. So in conclusion, so this case study, we are primarily focused on overall infrastructure and networking landscape. We emphasize importance of well-structured foundation. The hub and spoke network design's role in centralizing security and ensuring efficient traffic flow was showcased, along with a detailed inspection and control for north-south and east-west traffic, along with the segregation of internet and intranet traffic. So I'm done with the presentation. Thanks for your time.